My journey started in real estate about, a little ways back here. I was working a full-time job as a project manager for a construction company, and I started my own business doing some demolition cleanouts and dumpster rentals, which ultimately ties to real estate in a sense. Just being surrounded by homeowners that are renting a dumpster because they're selling their house, and building that rapport with them, as well as just being around investors for interior demo jobs. I got to know a lot of business owners and investors, and I got to see the potential that real estate provided, that could provide for me and my family moving forward. So I chose to start looking at investment properties, and I had a really good mentor that kind of talked me into would you consider being a real estate agent here in the future? And I was like, absolutely. But I didn't know if at the end of the day that's what I wanted to do. But I knew I needed to be on a team if that's the direction I would go. So I interviewed with two different teams, and I met with Drew Richmond, the Dave Hook team, and she laid out these 4 blocks for me and just went over with me, like, where do I see myself in 5 years, or what do I hope to achieve? And I thought that was really neat, because it meant that I was surrounded by people that were like-minded, that were thinking the same way as me. Some people on the team are investors, some aren't, but I think at the end of the day, we're just all trying to serve people in the community and give back a little bit. So moving forward, I think just like serving clients at a deep level, first-time home buyers, that kind of thing is really what I'm looking forward to. I got my license a little while back, and currently I have about 7-8 transactions at the moment, so I'm pretty excited about it. I've only been doing it for a short amount of time, and I'm just very thankful and looking towards the future here with growing both my business and my real estate side of things.